Hey friends, if copy and paste isn't working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, when everything is copied, it's copied to the clipboard. The shortcut is Windows plus V. Turn on the history and then check what has been copied. Is it here? If it is, then it's okay. Then there must be some other issue. Try to paste it again. If not, then here's what you have to do. Perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter. Another thing that you can try is restarting your computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart your computer. But here's one more thing. A third party application could also be blocking the process. So to isolate this case, search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.